Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Ready to dive into the excitement of the Paris 2024 Olympic Games? Fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey through the City of Lights as it transforms into the world's greatest sporting stage. So, grab your berets, practice your best French phrases, bonjour, and let's explore together the unforgettable moments that await you at the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. Can you believe it? This is the moment we've all been waiting for. We're kicking things off with the opening ceremony, the ultimate Olympic spectacle, an event that promises to be unforgettable. Just imagine the Eiffel Tower, illuminated like a giant magic candle, while the best athletes from around the world parade through a stadium bursting with color and excitement. It's a time when the whole world comes together to celebrate athletic excellence. Talk about an epic welcome party, a celebration that highlights diversity and unity. I mean, we're talking about Paris, the city of love, lights, and fashion. A city that knows how to throw a grand event. You know they're going all out for this one. The preparations are living up to the hype. We'll be treated to a breathtaking spectacle, a fusion of French music, dance, and panache that will leave you speechless. Performances that will capture your imagination. Imagine this: dazzling costumes, cutting-edge technology, and surprise performances by world-renowned artists. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to create an immersive experience. The energy in the stadium will be absolutely electric, a collective gasp of awe and wonder, an atmosphere you'll never forget. Prepare to be transported by the magic, because this opening ceremony is going to make history, a historic moment etched in our memories forever. Hold on tight, folks, because things are about to heat up for real. We're talking about the 100-meter finals, the event that forges legends and shatters records. The tension is so thick you could cut it with a knife. The fastest athletes in the world, ready to unleash their blazing speed in a blur of muscle and determination. The starting pistol fires, and boom, they're off. It's a symphony of pounding feet and roaring cheers as these human rockets push their limits. Will we witness a new world record? Who will claim the title of the fastest person on the planet? The only way to find out is to watch it all live. Get ready to be amazed, because we're entering the world of gymnastics, where strength, flexibility, and grace unite in a breathtaking display of athleticism. From aerial acrobatics on the uneven bars to gravity-defying twists and turns on the floor, every movement is a testament to years of dedication and training. Don't miss the perfect scores, the ones that trigger thunderous applause from the crowd and even bring a smile to the athletes' faces. Prepare for a spectacle as powerful as it is elegant, a celebration of the incredible capabilities of the human body. Dive into the action as we head to the Aquatic Center, where the world's best swimmers are making waves in their quest for gold. We're talking about a battle of endurance, speed, and strategy, all in a whirlwind of splashes and cheers. From butterfly to crawl, each stroke is a testament to their power and precision. The water practically boils as these athletes give it their all, their bodies slicing through the water at incredible speed. And let's not forget those thrilling finishes. Those moments when swimmers are neck and neck, their arms churning furiously as they race towards the finish line. Whether you're a seasoned swimming fan or simply appreciate the beauty and intensity of the sport, this is an event not to be missed. Get ready to experience basketball like never before as the world's best teams clash on the court for Olympic glory. The atmosphere will be electric, a fusion of American sportsmanship and Parisian passion. We're talking about a fast-paced, high-flying game filled with incredible athletic feats, jaw-dropping dunks, and no-look passes that will have you saying, "How did they do that?" The tension will be palpable as the clock winds down, the score tight, and every possession crucial. So grab your flags, put on your game face, and get ready to witness some true basketball magic. Let's escape the hustle and bustle of the city and head to the beach, where the sand is hot, the music is pumping, and the beach volleyball action is hotter than ever. This ain't your average day at the beach, folks. These are the Olympics, and the competition is fierce. We're talking incredible athleticism, gravity-defying dives, and powerful spikes that will send the sand flying. You'll be mesmerized by the skill and agility of these athletes as they leap, dive, and smash their way to victory. So, grab your sunglasses, slap on some sunscreen, and get ready to experience the thrill of beach volleyball at the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. Prepare to be transported to a world of elegance, precision, and extraordinary partnerships as we enter the arena for the equestrian events. These competitions are a celebration of the unique bond between horse and rider set against the backdrop of Paris. Witness breathtaking displays of horsemanship, with riders guiding their steeds through intricate courses and challenging obstacles. From the powerful jumps of show jumping to the elegant movements of dressage, each discipline showcases the unique abilities of both horse and rider. Get ready to be captivated by the beauty and skill of the equestrian events at the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. And there you have it, our Olympic adventure is coming to an end. But hold back those tears, folks, because we're going out with a bang. It's time for the closing ceremony, a bittersweet celebration of athletic achievement, global unity, and the magic of the Olympic spirit. The stadium will be buzzing with a mix of emotions, joy, pride, maybe a touch of sadness, that it's all coming to a close. Get ready for another spectacular show. One last burst of creativity, color, and music that will leave you in awe. We'll see the athletes parade one last time, not as competitors, but as friends, united by their shared Olympic journey. So, let's savor every moment, bid farewell to Paris, and carry the Olympic spirit with us long after the final curtain falls. While we're in the City of Lights for the Olympics, why not soak up its Parisian charm and uncover its hidden gems? Paris is a city that needs no introduction, with its iconic landmarks and picturesque streets. History, art, culture, and gastronomy collide here. Every corner has a story. First stop, the Eiffel Tower. This iconic monument is the symbol of Paris. Ascend to the top for breathtaking views, or admire its grandeur from below. Next, wander through the Louvre Museum, home to masterpieces like the Mona Lisa. Take a stroll down the Champs-Élysées, known for its luxury boutiques and lively cafes, and of course visit the Arc de Triomphe, a prime spot for capturing epic panoramic shots. Want to experience the Olympics with fellow fans from around the globe? Then head to the official fan zones, where the energy is electric, the atmosphere is festive, and the love of sports unites people from all walks of life. Just imagine. Giant screens broadcasting the games live, the roar of the crowd echoing through the streets, and a sea of faces painted in national colors, beaming with enthusiasm. It's a melting pot of cultures, a celebration of sport, and a unique opportunity to witness the global unity that the Olympics inspire. You'll find fan zones scattered throughout Paris, each with its own unique vibe and flavor. So, gather your friends, put on your colors, and head to the fan zones to experience the excitement of the Olympic Games in a fun, festive, and unforgettable atmosphere. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the must-see events and highlights of the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. From the grandeur of the opening ceremony to the thrill of the 100-meter dash, the elegance of the equestrian events, and the electric atmosphere of the fan zones, Paris 2024 promises to be an unforgettable Olympic experience. Don't forget to book your tickets, pack your bags, and brush up on your French. Whether you're a die-hard sports fan or simply looking for an excuse to explore the City of Lights, the Paris 2024 Olympic Games have something for everyone. See you in Paris. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.